how to overcome fear instantly. Do this and fear will disappear. Fear is controlling your life right now, and you don't even realize it. It's stopping you from taking action, keeping you stuck, and making you weaker every single day. But what if I told you that overcoming fear is actually simple? There's a method that rewires your brain, so fear no longer holds you back. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. Step 1. Change your perspective on fear, the mindset shift. The first thing you need to understand is this: fear is not your enemy. It's a tool. The people who win in life, they don't get rid of fear, they use it. Fear means you're about to grow. It's a signal that you're stepping outside your comfort zone. So instead of thinking, I'm scared, I want you to switch your thinking to, I'm excited. Action step. Next time you feel fear, say out loud, this means I'm growing. Instead of running from it, lean into it. Step 2. Take micro actions. Fear dies in motion. Fear feeds on hesitation. The longer you wait, the stronger it gets. The secret. Move before fear has a chance to grow. You don't need to take a giant leap, just take a small action. Action step. Afraid to speak up? Say one sentence. Scared to start something? Take the first tiny step now. Action shrinks fear. Step 3. Train your brain to see fear as normal. Fear feels big because your brain thinks it's unusual. But what if you exposed yourself to fear so much that it became normal? That's how elite performers, CEOs, and successful people handle it. Action step. Do something small that scares you every single day. Start with easy wins. Talk to a stranger, take a cold shower, post something bold. Each time, you're telling your brain, fear is no big deal. Step 4. Flip worst-case thinking. Fear loves to trick you with, what if? What if I fail? What if I look stupid? But ask yourself this instead. What if I don't do this? What's the cost of staying scared? Who will you become if you keep letting fear control you? Action step. Next time fear paralyzes you, write down the worst-case scenario and the best-case scenario. Most of the time, fear is lying to you. Step 5. Act before you feel ready. The 5-second rule. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll never do it. The truth is, confidence comes after action, not before. So use this rule. Count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Don't think, just move. Action step. Whenever fear hits, count down from 5 and take immediate action before your brain talks you out of it. To summarize, fear will never fully go away, but you now have the steps to control it instead of letting it control you. If you found this valuable, hit like to rewire this into your brain and subscribe so you never let fear stop you again. See you in the next one.